Sometimes we just need an easy way to make a little extra cash. In this video, I'm going to go over 4 different ways that I regularly make money without getting another job. Now, I realize most of you who watch my videos are lazy bums, so I take that into account, and the things that I'm proposing require so little amount of effort that I wouldn't even call it work. This isn't a video on side hustles. If you want a video on side hustles, I've made one. I'll put that right up here. You can check it out. Hey peasants and peons, welcome to Tank Top Finance, the #1 finance channel on the internet where we take money seriously but not much else. My name's Brett. I'm the Natty Ice of YouTube, and today we're talking about how to make some extra cash. To stimulate you to stay around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you 4 tips and a bonus tip that will go over probably a way you've never heard of that was almost guaranteed to make you some money. Now, usually I don't make videos for lazy bums, but for you I'll make an exception. Now, I realize I look like someone who's going to sell you the best used car you've ever driven, but these are all real life things. They work. I do them personally yearly, and they make me consistently more cash. So let's master the Broherum and get going.
Master the Broherum.
All right, that was kind of nerdy. Hands down, easiest way to get cash in a pinch. Not really a pinch, it does take a little bit of time, but easiest way on the list to get cash is called credit card churning. This is where you take advantage of an incentive to sign up for a new credit card. Similar to insecure men who always need new women around to keep their ego strong. You sign up, you do whatever you need to do to get the incentive, and then you ditch it and move on to the next one. And you do the same thing for credit cards. I recently signed up for the Chase Freedom card, spent $500 in the first 3 months, got $200 cash back. That's it, 200 bucks. That's it, you're done, move on to the next one. If you're interested in that specific card, I'll put it in a link down below. Technically, you can do it as many times as you find a new credit card offer for, but each time you do it, every new credit card is going to bring down your credit score. So keep this in mind if you are considering a big life change in the future, buying a home, considering changing where you're renting, buying a new car. All of those things probably rely on a good credit score, and if you're doing this, it's going to hurt your credit score. If you do find out that your credit's a dumpster fire, check out this video I made back in 1995, which will show you how credit works and how you can increase your credit score. Churn 2 credit cards a year, that's 400 bucks. If you're broke, don't have a job, homeless, maybe you're in your 30s, you still live with your parents, expect other people to take care of you, and all the other symptoms of being woke, be sure and like and subscribe to join Tank Top Nation. Second way to make money is credit card cashback rewards. For whatever reason, this one keeps creeping into my videos, but it's a great way to make passive income. Now, credit card cashback rewards are both similar to credit card churning and to insecure frat daddies. This is where you utilize the benefit of the relationship for what it gives you, but you never give anything back in return. In the credit card world, you make your normal purchases and you get 1, 2, maybe even 5% cash back on those purchases, but because you're smart and a part of the Tank Top universe, you always pay off the full principal at the end of every month and you never pay any interest. So you get all benefits, but it doesn't cost you anything. Currently, I make about $1,000 a year in cashback rewards, but I am about twice the beauty of an above average male and twice as humble. So let's say you make half, that's 500 bucks. Cha-ching! This video was sponsored by my Instagram. If you want to creep on my family, have a fake sense of connection, or get depressed by comparing yourself to me, follow me on Instagram. Now, this next one's a little tough if you don't have a job or a stockpile of cash laying around, but this is something that I do multiple times a year. Take advantage of new checking and savings account bonuses. Banks are always trying to win your business, so they'll run these promos. Hey, open a new checking account, sign up direct deposit, or open a new savings account and put this much in for 90 days. And if you do these things and you jump through these hoops, we'll give you this much money. The idea that the bank has is, of course, that you're going to bring your business over there. They're going to eventually get all of your business and make their money back in the long haul. Not today, Satan. I change checking accounts and savings accounts multiple times a year and make close to $1,000 doing so. I keep one bank account that's like my real bank account. It's a local credit union, but there are all these other different banks who are constantly trying to win your business, and I just kind of cycle cycle through them throughout the year. You can pick any one that works for you. Just jump through the hoops and you'll get the money. Do that twice a year, you'll get 800 bucks. Now this next one you can almost get the money for immediately. This is called new brokerage account incentive. Brokerage accounts are essentially stock trading platforms. You may have heard of some of them. Webull, Robinhood are a couple of the popular ones, but there's all kinds of brokerage accounts out there trying to steal your money. Now, similar to the bank concept, they're trying to entice you to use their platform by offering you free stocks if you sign up. Now, the stock you get when you sign up is usually a cheap one, 5 or 10 bucks, but there is a shot that you'll get a more valuable one, 100 bucks or more, but that's pretty rare. I would bank on maybe 5 or 10 bucks. With Robinhood, all you gotta do is sign up and you get a free stock. Webull, you have to deposit $100 before you get your free stock. There's also other ones out there. Some of them I've used before, some of them I haven't. The only ones I would personally recommend are the 2 that I said. The rest of them are garbage. If you did both options, you probably only got 20 bucks. Again, there's a shot you got 100. You probably only got 20 bucks. We'll call it 20 bucks. After that, sell the stock, cash out, boom, done. Ching! Those are the 4 things that I continuously do every year to make extra money. I've done each one of these. Each one only takes 5 minutes at a time, so don't be a lazy bum. Quit complaining. Nobody cares. Work harder. Go get your money. Bonus tip, check your state controller website to see if you have any unclaimed property. Things like escrow refunds, uncashed cashier's checks, utility deposits, money that you have out there that whoever had it couldn't find you, so they give it to your state controller and say good luck. State controller then holds it with an account with your name on it. They put it on the website and it's just sitting there waiting for you to claim it. In preparation for this video, I went and checked mine and I actually had a couple of pieces of unclaimed property. It was only like 15 bucks, so it wasn't grandiose for me, but hopefully you'll have like a couple grand waiting for you. You can also check missingmoney.com. It's not as accurate as the state controller, but it'll give you a good idea if you've got something out there. If you like the content, consider liking and subscribing to join the Tank Top crew, and I'll see you next time, peasants.